Today I'll discuss with you the solving pair of linear equation with the help of substitution method. So now here a linear equation, all of you know this is a example of a linear equation. Now here the coefficients of x, that is a, coefficient of y, that is b, and c all are constants, and x and y are the variable. So let's see this method with an example. So here I've taken two equations. This is your equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2. Now before starting the question only, you just check the condition whether the equation is having one unique solution, or it is having many solution, or it doesn't have any solution. So here to check that, we have to find out the ratios of a1 a2 and b1 b2 and c1 c2. So here your a1 is 2 and your a2 is 4. So a1 ratio a2 will be 2 divided by 4, and then we will find out our b1 by b2. So b1 by b2, b1 is your 3, it's 4 minus 3, it's minus 3, and your b2 is 1. Okay, nothing is there, that means 1. Now you can see that one, that a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So you know this one. When the ratios a1 a2 not equal, then it will be a intersecting line, or it will have only one solution. And if in case your ratio of a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 will be equal, then you will get infinite solutions. And when your a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2, that time there will be no solution. So in these two cases, so you can check in the beginning only. If these two cases are coming, that means the solution you cannot solve. Okay, you cannot get the solution. So in the beginning, just check this condition and check the ratios, so you will know which system has unique solution. So that only you can solve. Now the basic idea of this substitution method is to get any value of y, to get the value of y in terms of x from any equation, or value of x in terms of y from any equation. So for doing this, you can check the coefficients of x. Here it's 2, coefficient of y is 3, coefficient of x 4, coefficient of y is 1. So try to take that variable whose coefficient is 1. So like from the first equation, if you put, so your equation can become a little bit complicated. So just I'm taking from equation number 2. I'm taking equation number 2. Okay, you can take any of the equation. So here I'll get 4x plus y equals to 24. So from here I'll find out the value of y. So the value of y will be 24 minus 4x. Okay, so from equation 2 I got the value of y, that is 24 minus 4x. Now what I'll do, I've taken this value from equation number 2. So now I'm going to put this value in equation number 1. Okay, so this will write put y equals to 24 minus 4x in equation number 1. So let's see what your equation is. 2x minus 3y equals to minus 2. So now we will put this value of y, that is 24 minus 4x, in this equation. So this equation will reduce to, here we'll get 2x minus 3. In the place of y, we'll put this value 24 minus 4x, and that will be equals to minus 2. Now you have to solve this equation. Now you can see this whole equation. Now this whole equation is in terms of x only, so it will be 2x minus, now you can multiply that one. So it will be 72 minus that will become plus 12x equals to minus 2. Now here this will be 14x minus 72 equals to minus 2, so your 14x will be equals to 70, and then you can find your x. So your x will be 70 divided by 14, and that will be 5. So your x came 5. Now you can put this value of x in any equation, or here only if you put in this one, so we'll get the value of y also. So your y will be y, you know, is 24 minus 4x, so we'll put the value of x, that is 5. So here you'll get 24 minus 20, so your y is coming 4. So 4 is your solution. So overall solution, what are the values here? So your x is 5 and y is 4, so this is your answer. So I hope this method is clear to all of you.